Down with Russian imperialist aggression! Down with! Down with Russian imperialist aggression! Down with! ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳೇ ಮುಂದಾಗಿ! Condemn Russia by killing so many thousands of innocent people. We condemn Russia. We condemn. Russia, hands off! Ukraine, hands off! Hands off! We are with Ukraine people. We are with.
We are opposing this war. We are for peace. You know that always the big brother, that is America, will try to take up some issue and try to create war situation. But today, even Russia is not a small country. It is also an imperialist country. Once it was socialist country, USSR. Now it became imperialist country. The war is going on because of the contradiction between two imperialist countries, and each one is trying to prove who is higher than another. And in between, Ukraine, a small country which is staying near Russia, and they joined NATO. And you know that NATO is only to maintain wars, not for the peace. Then when Ukraine joined NATO, America is actually encouraging Ukraine. Even Ukraine government need not have joined NATO, but Ukraine joined NATO, and for that sake, Russia need not declare the war. But today Russia declared the war, and several thousands died, and many of our Indians, several thousands Indians are who are staying at Ukraine. They stuck in the country, and our government is not able to bring all of them, though it is making big claim. Today, you know that Modi government did not stop the war, did not go against the war, because they want to appease both the countries, and they abstained. They did not take any decision against the war. And equally we criticize Russia for it, because Russia is the root cause for declaring war. It appears so. But no less the role of Ukraine here. Ukraine would not now join the NATO, then this situation would not have come. What we request the people who joined in this, who are conducting this war, why can't you settle the matter peacefully? Why can't you talk to each other and settle the matter? Instead of it, why suddenly you declare war? We are not for the war, because already market crisis is very high. Behind this war, you know what will happen. It will affect the common people's life.